Here I have this ToolkitRC M7 charger that has failed. It doesn't turn on. This is the board, and when connecting 12 volts to it, it makes this slight buzzing sound while consuming about half an amp. I don't know if you can hear this. So I decided to take a look at this board with a thermal camera, and this is what I found. There's a certain part on this board. It's extremely hot. You can see it's already at 100 degrees Celsius. I found it to be this capacitor right next to this voltage regulator. This ceramic capacitor is getting extremely hot. Okay, so here I desoldered this capacitor, and I'm measuring in ohms. You can clearly see that it is shorted internally. There are no solder bridges around it. Here I replaced it with a 0.22 microfarad 25 volt capacitor right here. Let's see if it works. And it does.